Okay, so I've spoken to a lot of men and they have a lot of anxiety and fear around going to a gym, typically around these top 4 reasons. So we're going to discuss those today, we're going to debunk those, and hopefully that's going to give you the confidence to take your first step into the gym. So fear number 1, this is typically surrounding the fear that you're going to look really weak in the gym. A lot of men think they're going to walk in and there's going to be this sea of really buff men all lifting these ridiculously big weights, and then there's just going to be you really struggling to lift anything. That is not the case at all. Everyday gyms cater for all abilities. For example, there are weights as small as 1 pound. This is nothing. This is lighter than a bag of sugar. So if you can lift a bag of sugar, there is absolutely going to be equipment that you can use. In addition to that, let's have a think about the gym mindset. The gym mindset isn't look at how strong I am, look at how amazing I am. The gym mindset is self-improvement. So even the most buff man in the room, chances are he started off significantly overweight, chances are he started off very, very slim and couldn't lift very much at all. It's fine, we've all been on that journey. We all know that you have to start at the beginning and build up. Even The Rock had to start off on the small weights. It's completely normal. In addition to that, a lot of men don't come to the gym to build big muscles anyway. A lot of men just come just for general fitness and health purposes. They come in, hit the treadmill for a bit of cardio. They'll use a rowing machine just to work all of their muscles. Like, they're just not here to lift big weights. So you're not going to be the only guy in the room that isn't ridiculously ripped. Number 2, it is the fear around looking stupid. So this is a big thing for men, okay? Ask questions, speak to the gym staff. If you walk into a room of people that all look like they know what they're doing, it can be very scary and intimidating, and yes, it can hurt your ego if you're in that position. The thing is, you just need to drop that. Speak to the gym staff, ask them how to use the equipment and ask them how to use it safely. That's the correct thing to do. The worst thing for you to do is just to try something with the equipment and then injure yourself, and then you just take yourself out for 3 months. That's ridiculous. Ask questions, learn how to use the equipment. Remember, it's like learning to drive. You don't get put on the motorway driving 70 miles an hour on your first day learning to drive. You start off on the smaller roads that no one uses, and you drive 2 miles an hour, you hit the curb, you stall 5 times. It's fine, it is a learning journey. Ask questions and learn. Number 3, the feeling that you're not fit enough to go to the gym. If you're not fit enough, the gym is exactly where you need to be. If you're not fit enough and you want to get fit, you need to go to the gym. Remember, the most athletic, most strongest guy in the room had to start off at the beginning. Chances are he wasn't running 5K when he first started. Chances are he was not lifting 50 pounds when he first started. You have to start at the beginning. No one's going to be looking at you thinking, God, is that all you can lift? No one's going to do that, because everyone started off at the beginning. We understand. The gym is not a competition. The gym mindset is not, look at how perfect I am. The gym mindset is self-improvement. Start off where you are, grow, learn, develop. Number 4 is changing room anxiety. So if you are uncomfortable with your body and you're in a changing room, it can be very uncomfortable if there are men in there that have these perfect athletic bodies and you don't look like that. What you need to do is, before you sign up to a gym, see if you can have a free taster session, and on that session have a little look inside the changing rooms. Are there private areas where you can, behind a closed door, get dressed, get changed, so that you don't feel exposed? Because you need to find a gym that you are comfortable with, and that might help influence your decision on which gym to go to. So ask questions before you join, and then you will know that you'll have a private space for you to get changed. If you found this content helpful, or if you have any experiences on how you gained confidence or how you overcome those gym fears, please leave comments below, because Everyone wants to know, everyone wants to grow and learn. We're one big community and we're all here to help each other. So drop those comments below. Also, subscribe, because that will help this channel grow. It'll help reach more people who need to hear this advice. So comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.